your flashlight.
You going, Lucas?
Okay, let's go, Donna.
I've spent all summer scaring the crows away, and my crops have all been harvested. I have all the vegetables I need for a long winter, but now I'm looking for souls. Would you like to make a trade?
Go ahead, Lucas.
Fall is all around us, and the winds are blowing cooler. Autumn is my time to celebrate. I may be getting withered